AI is powerful, but here's what most people don't realize. Every time you use AI tools, your data, ideas, and even identity could be exposed if you don't understand AI security. Today, I'll show you how to stay protected. Welcome back. In this lesson, we're breaking down AI security in simple terms. You'll learn how AI systems can be attacked, how your personal business sets you be at risk, and to stay secure while using AI tools. Security is the practices of protecting AI systems, user data, models, and automation workflows. It safeguards these elements against threats, ensuring AI is used safely and responsibly. AI security is the practice of protecting AI systems, user data, models, and automation workflows. Digital identity is key to protecting your online presence from misuse, manipulation. Think of cyber threats. This powerful combination plus artificial intelligence combined. Stay safe online. AI security matters now because tools collect your prompts. They process business ideas, which could be stolen, and personal data, raising huge privacy risks. That's why we need better AI security today. Let's talk about AI and your data. We're dealing with images, documents, and automation workflows. Without protection, risks include data leaks, AI manipulation, fake content misuse, identity cloning, built-in security. Protect your content now. Let's talk about AI security threats. First, data leakage. This is when sensitive info is entered into AI tools and exposed. For example, uploading confidential documents into public AI platforms. Let's talk about AI security threats. First, data leakage. This happens when sensitive data is entered into AI tools and then exposed. For example, uploading confidential business documents to a public AI platform. Today, let's talk about prompt injection attacks. This is when attackers manipulate AI instructions to reveal private information. In simple terms, someone tricks the AI into ignoring its rules. We'll see how this works. Deepfakes and identity abuse are rising threats. AI creates fake voices and videos for fraud and misinformation. Always verify your digital content sources. Bray. Today we're discussing model poisoning. Bad data is fed into AI systems, corrupting the learning process. This causes the AI to produce wrong results. This highlights the need for data security. Automation exploits. AI workflows connected to emails, payments, or apps can be hijacked if not secured. Without proper safeguards, these systems are vulnerable to attacks, leading to data breaches and financial loss. Today, we're talking about practical steps to protect yourself online. Step 1. Never upload sensitive data. This is crucial to keep your private information safe. Thanks for watching. When using AI, remember this simple rule. If it's confidential offline, don't paste it in. That means no passwords, financial records, private contracts, or personal IDs. Let's talk about strong account security. First, enable two-factor authentication. Second, use strong, unique passwords for every account. Finally, use a password manager to keep them safe. Stay safe out there. Let's review your AI tool permissions. First, review access permissions. Next, remove unused integrations. Finally, limit data sharing. This keeps your data safe. AI can hallucinate or generate false information. Always fact-check and confirm sources. Review generated code or advice. Step 5, protect your content. Watermark everything, keep original file, monitor reposts, and use platform protections. These simple steps will help you safeguard your work from theft and misuse. Hey creators, let's talk AI security. You need to protect your work from unauthorized AI use. Secure your videos, scripts, image, and audioing. Stay vigilant. Your creativity is valuable. To build your brand, you need key assets: brand asset scripts, automation tools, audience data, and monetization accounts. Watch out for common risks: fake accounts, cloned voices, and stolen videos. Protecting your business with AI starts with clear employee usage rules. Isolate data with private AI environments and strict access control. Always use data encryption. Implement these, and you're ready for safe AI growth. Let's discuss AI security for businesses and entrepreneurs. Key practices include employee AI usage rules and private AI environments. Also, access control, data encryption, and audit automation workflows. Today, we're covering essential AI security habits. Let's start with the first one: think before prompting. Finally, back up your data and always progress you regularly and monitor your generated content. Stay secure out there. Let's look at a real-world example. Someone uploads a company strategy into an AI tool. The data is saved, and then a competitor gains insight from it. The lesson: convenience should never replace security awareness. Here are 5 common mistakes people make with AI. First, trusting AI blindly. Second, sharing private information. Third, connecting too many apps. Third, using unknown AI security. Stay safe out there. Let's talk about common mistakes with AI. First, don't trust AI blindly. Second, never share private information. Third, avoid connecting too many apps. And fourth, don't use unknown account security. Stay safe out there. Let's talk about the future of AI security. It will focus on digital identity verification, AI watermark, secure private models, and ethical AI governance. Those who understand security early gain a real advantage. If you're using AI for learning, business, or content creation, security is not optional anymore. Subscribe and follow for more simple tech lessons that help you grow safely in the AI city today.